Good morning. Good morning. Welcome to another morning broadcast. We are we're having a good week so far, and we had some meme stocks pop up, and we had another one, Arrow. What's it call it? AEO, American Eagle. American Eagle. Yeah, clothing store. But let's talk about LIDR. So we were just talking about LIDR and our community, and this one, incredible move. Fresh news. I caught it at around 225 here. Scaled out some more, and then I actually closed the full position here, and then I transitioned to getting on the scan. So I'm crying a little bit because of that. So that thing is running. Would have had a nice chunk of change here on that. But yeah, so I hope you caught that LIDR. Fresh news. This one didn't pop up in TradingView, but the news that was released was let me pull this up real quick. How's everybody doing? Welcome everybody. This is your first time. Welcome. If you enjoy the stream, please like, subscribe, share it with others. We're jumping on every day, Monday through Friday. We're getting it in. Man, that thing is a rocket, exploding. So we had more entries though, here. Also, as it recovered though, double bottomed out, and then recovered here, and then more scaling entries as we broke. And in the chat, I was just saying that we may get the shorts may be squeezed out, and if that happens, then we'll probably go up another few, $2 or $3, and that's exactly what's happening. So hope you guys caught that. We had a few things that popped up on the scanner, and they were decent plays. I didn't take anything but LIDR. That was it. We had PSTV that popped. We had UAVS also that popped. So those were all potential plays. But this one was the best one. As soon as I saw this, I was looking at the aggressive buying, looking at the tape, and I was like, it's go time. So I hate that I didn't. I'm not still in it, but that's the game. We try to get as much as we can out of a ticker, and we won't get everything all the time. So that's where we are with that. Okay, so we're gonna zoom out here. Let me check the comments. Did y'all take it? Let me see. What was the catalyst for LIDR? I'll talk about it in just a minute. I'm gonna pull it up. Mr. Lee I missed that scout for LIDR, but I got it on watch for the opening. Yeah, all good. Sometimes it's like that. Whew. Dang, I don't even want to look at it no more. Yes, this is where I was at, 225 here, around 225 here. Nice initial trade, scaled out some here, scaled out. And then I closed that last 25 when it pulled back into the range under VWAP. I was waiting here. I was actually waiting for a higher low to be created. It just dipped a little bit lower, and I was like, let me go ahead and hop out. And unfortunately, I'm crying now because of that. But yeah, so more entries though. That's the game. That's the game. So I think if I would have been holding on to that, it was the last 25% there of my size. Yeah, it's like a 1 to 8. So yeah, that's a major play. 8 times 8. Yeah, it's good trading right there. Hussein, let me see. UAVS facts. I was on UAVS. All right, yeah, that's good. MLBY. Yeah, we'll dive LIDR signed up with NVIDIA for autonomous vehicle setup. Yeah, that's what it was. As soon as I saw that, NVIDIA, autonomous vehicle setup, like the transaction didn't happen yet. But when you ask yourself about what you're going to trade for the day, you say, okay, I'm looking at the options here. What catalyst, what news is going to drive people into that stock, right? People are like, oh, I gotta get in. So that's where you're at. You're looking for, when you study the craziest moves, a lot of there's euphoria, there's sentiment, and a lot of them are news driven, unless it's a meme rally like we had on Kohl's, Beyond Meat, and others. So yeah, this one was definitely a good play. And I called it out in our pre-market. So if you entered, maybe you got stopped, or you didn't get stopped because if you entered here and you had your stop below the range, you actually didn't get stopped out and you held on, then yeah, you're in the money. So that was the best play from the pre-market, and it gave more entries. All right, so LIDR, caught a piece of LIDR move. I got in when it made the pullback, 5 minute. Yeah, all good. Yeah, it struggled a bit here because it was higher time frame. If you zoom out here, you'll see that on the higher time frame there was a level here that price was struggling at. So, but it's broken through. And the thing I liked about LIDR was that it was ranging as well. It had this sort of like an ascending triangle here, right? And then it blasted above this resistance. And then around here is where I think we had the pause and the consolidation. And the tape was strong, buyers were strong. The bid was strong. The bid kept stepping up. So just a very healthy play. I would definitely go back and take a look at it and study it for something to be ready for. So we'll keep our eye on it. I'm going to set alarms. It's now up 280%. And who knows what'll happen. Yeah, so the best play of the day so far. All right, LIDR. All right, let's take a step back. Let me talk about UAVS as well. So UAVS, we've had on the scan multiple days. They had a catalyst where they received a designation from the U.S. Department of Defense. So this one rallied, finished out strong this morning. I was looking at it here. It was at yesterday's high of day, and it squeezed out here and then boom, popped. But right here, so squeezed up, pulled back into the range there. So I was looking for maybe a break and retest there, but didn't give anything there. So UAVS this morning got busy. So we're going to keep that one on watch. We'll see what happens at the open. Okay, so UAVS is on the list. PSTV was one that I wanted to trade, but I just didn't see anything strong. And I actually missed a small little window for a scalp. Price popped, went below VWAP here, ranged a bit, and then it popped here. So that was a small little window for a scalp. So I missed that small window. Then it just kind of ranged. And when this popped out here, I was already in LIDR trying to scale in. I was scaling out and trying to scale into LIDR. So I wasn't able to take advantage of that because of that. And it's all good. That's the game. Until I build some algos that will take trades for me, I won't be able to catch every single thing unless I enter one and then I'll enter another. So, all right, let's zoom out. Let's talk big picture real quick. I wanted to start with these because these were active. So overall market is very bullish. The sentiment around tariffs, trade wars, and the tweets have become the market has become complacent. But with the news about the 15% on Japan, the tariffs on Japan, now we have clarity on Japan. We have there's a decision made. That was a good thing that was healthy for the markets. Also, we have earnings. If we look at the earnings that have been coming out around tech have been pretty strong. So you have Google, they came out, Alphabet, they spiked down and spiked up. They had strong earnings. So that's going to help out the market. This is one of the market drivers. So if you're looking at participating, just you want to know that Google just came out with earnings. They were strong. Now on the flip side, Tesla, their earnings report hurt them, but that one so that one is shorting off. So if you're looking for earnings play, Google's there, Tesla's there, and we're going to look at the AI basket consequentially. Okay, so I'll be looking at MVTS, BBAI. They all got busy, SOFI. So that basket, I won't go through all of them. You all know, if you're here every day with me, you know where we're at there. Yesterday, QBTS was the strongest trade for me. We were on the group, we were on our call, our Zoom, and we caught that together. So QBTS, that was one of the strongest ones. Had its own catalyst. So that one I have on watch. It's approaching the high. It's right within yesterday's high. So price spike, consolidated, pushed, and then for the rest of the day a rally. So that one will be on watch for me. Okay. All right. So that's AI, tech, and everything else are the plays are decent. So I'll go through those now. Okay. So this is your first time. We are streaming. We've been streaming on YouTube since January. So we've been doing this together since January, but now I'm bringing it to IG and bringing it to X so that we could expand our mission and have a positive impact on more traders. So the style that we trade, we focus on mastering a few setups and scanning the market for the tickers that give us those setups. So it's like if I'm Kobe Bryant and I'm mastering a certain move and I'm playing that move against different defenders, right? So that's the style that we use. So if you see us cycling through different names, it's just because all I'm looking for is my setup, the one that I've mastered, perfected the price action volume order flow on, right? So I'm just constantly scanning, looking for that opportunity like LIDR, something like that this morning. So that's the style I trade. This is I trade momentum and a few other setups as well. And once we get that good ticker, that thing just pays out really well. Okay. All right. So let's see, what else do we have? I'm gonna walk through some of the names that are sort of sleepers, and I'm just watching out. So FFAI, this one popped up on the scan yesterday, and it's been within a range for a few days. So it sold off yesterday. It sold off yesterday, and it recovered. So when I see that, maybe the shorts got trapped. Could be a liquidity trap. So I have alarm set for the break there. We already talked about UAVS, QS. We don't need to talk about. I'm going to skip out on the crypto names right now because Bitcoin is ranging. So we'll skip out on those. And one other one that I'll talk about, that I want to talk about real quick is AGH. So AGH ran up yesterday from around, this thing was up about 200%. Here, spike, high of day, pre-market, couldn't break the high of day, and now it's shorting. So if this one activates again, which it's possible, I'm setting alarms there to take advantage of it. So just a reactive trade on that one. Okay. No, not a big picture idea. I've shelved GoPro, Krispy Kreme, Beyond Meat, all of those. I've shelved those. Now, one other one that for the short side, if you're shorting, I look at American Eagle Outfitters. This one ran up on a campaign with an actor. I forgot her name, Sydney Sweeney. And I mean, there's no significant business outcome or immediate business outcome tied to that. So this is just one of those rallies, right? One of those rallies that. So just take a look at it. I'm gonna have it on watch. GoPro gave me a good setup, and so So we'll see. We'll never know. All right. So drop me. Oh yeah, CYCC. Yeah, I was looking at CYCC as well. Here, I had this. I didn't take this. I had this sitting here waiting because I was just looking at the behavior, but right here we had absorption happening. So this is why I set this here, because if you look at the CVD, the tape was green. Like, you had the buyers, they're very aggressive, but price wasn't going anywhere. So that there was a seller there just absorbing, right? Defending. So because of that, I just was waiting, because if I saw something big on the ask and the buyers continue to take it, then I was gonna trade that breakout just strictly off of order flow. So didn't happen. Thanks for reminding me about that, Darlene. Okay, so UAVS. Let me look at the chat. BE. I know we probably have some things popping up here. Bloomberg. Okay. Yeah, I'm yapping here. I got so fired up off of that LIDR trade. Let me see. All right, what's up with BE? Let me check the stats real quick. I do like that this dip here. We had the recovery. What's the catalyst? Okay, 200 million float. Oracle and Bloom Energy collaborate to deliver power. Okay, that's it. Collaboration with Oracle. Interesting. It's broke out of these highs here. That's a good sign. Huh. All right. I'm gonna keep my eye on it. All right, let's see what it does. So go ahead and drop what you're looking at in the chat, and I'll get to it. Let me check the comments here. Can I hold it on? I think you may be talking about LIDR. How did you share this through MOB? Who makes more profit, day traders or long-term traders? Both make profit, man. It's but with long-term you can scale, and you may have you can scale the capital more, but many of us at this level, I think it depends on temperament and lifestyle, and you can do both. You can scalp and build. You can build a day trading playbook, and you can build a longer term like scalping playbook as well. And then as you need more size for. At a certain point, liquidity may be an issue, so you may want to. That's why you may swing. May have to take time to build a position. So all of that comes into play. But for most of the people that are just starting out, intraday is good enough. But I'd say there's two different playbooks, and you can build both. Sample both. That's what I'd say. All right, let's get it. MVO. Let me check the scan. See what else has popped up. So. This one has been moving. Interesting. I need to do a little bit more investigating this one, but I do see that it gapped up. Rose gapped up sideways. Took off yesterday, and I don't know what the catalyst is. Do you know, Mr. Lee? What news platform do you read? It just depends. TradingView has some pretty good news that comes out. It's connected to these press releases. But if you want to get more advanced, if you want to if you want to hear like overall commentary for like indices and gold, overall market, vital knowledge is a great one. If you need stock news, if you need like breaking news, trade the news is a really good one. So it just kind of depends on what you're doing. But I think most people, for what they're doing, they can use some of the free news sources that are out there. Yep. So CYH, I haven't looked at their report. Michael. Yeah, so the live trading is included. At first, it's a one-time payment because it's a full mentorship. So it's not just like live trading and that's it. But I teach you the setups that we take and help build your ability as a trader. So at first, it's just one time. And yeah, just hit the link in the description if you're interested. We can talk about it. All right. Yeah, so Waterman, CYH. Looks like we could take a reversion play here. It's interesting. A lot of volume on this candle. But I need to see what was the news. I mean, I'm assuming it's attached to earnings, but I need to quickly look into that. But yeah, so let's watch it. Volume here. Okay, RUN. I've been seeing RUN pop up several times, but I just didn't have anything. All right, what's the catalyst here? Sunrun jumps on deal with Tesla Electric to boost power backup. Okay. It pop, reclaim VWAP. Let me look at what's going on. Run 17 million. Let me see. I'm looking at the stats on Run real quick. Let's see how we go through this this traffic right here. See if the volume remains elevated or not. Tape's not really moving that much. I'll probably wait on BE, probably wait until the open. We have about 6 minutes. But I do like that it's consolidating here. So maybe it pushes down to VWAP. It's weak. We have something to take. Run. Yeah, I want to see. We're bumping right up against this resistance here. So we'll see if we'll pull back or what. Or if we consolidate and break, you see volume come in. All right, so let's get it. We had a strong pre-market. Now let's prepare for the open. Remember, it's easy to fall into euphoria. It's easy to fall into fear of giving back profits. If you're going to continue, trade your plan, right? That's how you're successful. If you have a setup, trade the setup. Don't trade your P&L. All right, so let's get it. Thank you all for joining. It's been an amazing month. It's been amazing being here with you all. So On the way out, please like and subscribe. If you want to trade live with us, hit the link in the description. If you're on IG and you want the full experience, watch us on YouTube, okay? All right. Hope y'all have a great day, and I will talk to y'all later. Those that are in the Zoom, stay there. Let's get it.